His lotus-like cheeks are bathed with tears from his eyes.
Such manifestation of ecstasy is very difficult for a man. He must be a great personality.
Venkatavari, overwhelmed by ecstatic symptoms, joins Mahaprabhu's Kirtani.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Hari Bol 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 Hari Bol.
Oh, my dear Lord, please give us your blessings. You must be very tired by your travels. Chaturmasya months are beginning and it is not advisable to travel during this time. Why don't you take a break from your travels and stay with me and my family during these months? My son Gopal will be pleased to meet you.
It will be my pleasure.